Introduction. Feeling a little overwhelmed by your JSS1 mathematics textbook? You're not alone. So many new topics, so many new words, and sometimes the explanations just don't stick. But what if you had a personal tutor? Someone who could explain every single concept in a simple, visual, and memorable way, and walk you through every problem in your textbook, step by step? Welcome to Learn Maths by Grades, your free visual and complete learning platform for mathematics from JSS1 to SS3. My name is Mr. Desmond, and together we're going to make mathematics not just easy, but exciting. Here at Learn Maths by Grades, we believe that when you understand the why, you'll never fear the how. Mathematics Adventure Map, JSS1 to SS3. Every great mathematician started right here with the very first number. Welcome to your Maths by Grades adventure. Our journey begins at the basic level, Junior Secondary School 1 and Junior Secondary School 2. This is where we build the foundation for all of mathematics. Here we learn about whole numbers, fractions, and simple geometry, the language of every problem you'll ever solve. Every step forward makes you stronger. Next, we move to the intermediate level, JSS3 to SS1, where maths starts to connect. Here we dive into algebra, ratios, and graphs. This is where patterns, formulas, and logic begin to tell powerful stories. It's where math starts to make sense in the real world. And finally, we arrive at the mastery zone, SS2 and SS3. This is where you'll conquer advanced topics like statistics, surds, and financial mathematics. These are the skills that prepare you for life beyond the classroom, for WAEC, for JAMB, and for the future you dream of. No matter your grade, JSS1 or SS3, every step you take builds the future you want. So grab your textbook, open your notebook, and let's begin this amazing journey together. Maths by Grades. Learn smart, learn visual. The two-step learning system. Now, here's what makes Maths by Grades completely unique. Our two-step learning system. Step 1. Understand with AI. Each lesson begins with beautiful AI-powered animations that make every abstract idea come alive. We use color, story, and motion to help you see the concept, not just memorize it. Step 2. Master with your textbook. After each animation, we open the new General Mathematics textbook together. I'll guide you through the exact questions, explaining every step in a clear, friendly way. And when I say, pause and try this, that's your cue to pause the video, try the problem in your notebook, and then come back to check your solution. That's how you turn understanding into mastery. That's how you become top of your class. How to use the channel. To make your journey even easier, everything is neatly organized into playlists. JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, and beyond. You can start from the very beginning, or jump straight to the topic your teacher just introduced in class. Every lesson connects directly to your syllabus and to the new General Mathematics textbook, so you never waste time guessing what to study. All you need to succeed is simple. This channel, your notebook, and your textbook. That's your Maths Success Kit. Call to action and preview. If you're ready to build unshakable maths confidence, here's your first mission. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. And 3. Get your new General Mathematics textbook ready. Our next video begins with history of numbers followed by whole numbers and place value, where digits live in their special houses. We'll learn why 347 means 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. Then we'll open our textbooks and solve real exercises together. This is more than a channel, it's your personal tutor. Let's open that textbook and conquer it together. See you in the next class.